Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel again. Okay, today you probably clicked this video. This is a great one because you're interested in finding out about gut health and even more specific gut health testing. And why is this important? So if you haven't met me before, my name is Llewellyn Ferreira and I'm from Blast Nutrition and Wellness. I've been a nutrition and wellness coach and a personal trainer for over 25 years. And this topic today of gut health is actually one that I kind of specialize in, that is very dear to my heart. I'm very passionate about gut health because I think it's the missing link for so many people and very well could be the missing link for you. Also, I just want to say up front is that I have also a Heal Your Gut series, a 3-part series that can give you even more information. If this video resonates with you, you can go below, click down there and find that gut health series. So let's just talk a little bit about this idea of gut health and gut health testing. So you may have heard the words gut health or the microbiome or all these words that fly around out there in the world. And you've heard that it's important, but you don't necessarily know why. And you also don't know how you're supposed to find out about your gut health. Well, I'm going to tell you how. So why is it so important? Let's talk quickly about the microbiome. I'll give you a little bit of my story and then go from there. So let me just say that the gut, the microbiome, they call this actually like your second brain, which is very interesting. And the gut is connected to everything else in your body. So when we talk about systemic health, overall health of the body, the gut is one of the main spots to focus on to improve that overall health. If you think about it, everything that you eat and drink and anything that goes into your mouth has to go through your digestive system, through your gut, and then all the other functions of your body happen from there. So of course, it's very important. But your microbiome is like a fingerprint. Everyone's is very unique to them. So we need to find out what makes our gut different from anybody else's. And the way to do that is through gut testing. So let me tell you a little bit about my story. I consider myself a very healthy eater, and I have been for most of my life. It's just been something I've done. But I hit this spot in my life probably about 10 years ago where I was experiencing some gut health issues. So the common symptoms, I was having gas, I was a bit bloated, things like that. I just wasn't feeling right. I knew something about my digestion was off, but I couldn't figure it out because I was eating all these healthy foods. Boom, there was the key. Just because you're eating very healthy foods doesn't mean that possibly those healthy foods could be bad for you and you don't know it. Only way to find it out? A gut test. Along comes the company Viome, V-I-O-M-E, Viome.com. And I will share a link below that you can go click on to find Viome. So I took their gut test and lo and behold, I found out that I was eating healthy foods and things that were not serving my gut and was affecting my digestion. So I took their advice. They gave me some recommendations after I took the test. I followed these recommendations and boom, it helped. My gut health improved, my symptoms went away, and I felt so much better. Now, I have used this gut test with so many of my clients. I practically use it with all my clients. I recommend them all to do it. So I recommend it to you. If you're experiencing any kind of gut symptoms similar to what I talked about, or you're potentially struggling with losing weight or finding that you're even gaining weight, your metabolism is struggling, if you're having headaches or skin issues or anything that you feel is just not right, it potentially could definitely be coming from your gut. So go get that gut test. The results you get back will change your life. It is such valuable information that you can implement very easily, and all of a sudden you will start to feel better. The symptoms will go away and things will improve, and so many other things can come from that. So that is a little bit about gut health, your microbiome, and how you can get a gut test to take yourself in the direction you need to go. Once again, I also have a Healthy Gut series, which you can find below. Click on the link, and also the link for Viome is there as well. Okay, so I hope this information helped. You have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon.